Hi, I'm Mr. McCall and I am a woodwork and graphics teacher here in St. Eunan's College. Welcome to the woodwork department. In woodwork you learn how to design and make artifacts out of wood. In first year you begin learning how to use the tools, and you use the tools to make some really nice projects. All of the projects you make are your own and you will bring them home when they are finished. As you develop your skills using the tools, we introduce you to the machinery such as the scroll saw and the wood turning blades. Using machinery like this requires high levels of skill, and students really enjoy working with this machinery and testing their skills. We make all sorts of projects in the woodwork room, from tanks and trains to clocks, bird houses, key holders and trophies for your favourite football team. Each project develops different skills and teaches you how to use different tools and machinery. You will also learn about designing projects in woodwork classes. In order to design, you first have to learn how to sketch. Once you have mastered sketching, you can then begin to design your own projects. This is when it gets really interesting. Once you have mastered the tools and machinery, and you are able to sketch and design, then you are able to start designing and making your very own projects. Students really enjoy making things using their hands and designing their own projects. And there is always a great sense of pride and achievement when they have finished their projects. We look forward to seeing you next year and helping you to design and make your very own woodwork projects.